Okay, we are going to do theorem based on whatever we have done on the definitions of circles. I did two videos just now before that explaining to you the previous theorem, the central angle theorem, that angle subtended by an arc at the center of a circle is double the angle which it subtends to the remaining part of the circumference. Now, after that, I gave you a very small demonstration of showing you that what a segment is. Segment is the area included between any arc and the remaining part of the circumference. Now here I'm talking angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. For example, here it is given angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. So let us see first of all that the arc CMD, arc CMD is subtending an angle BAD at the remaining part of the circumference and BOD at the center. What is given? First of all, let us see what is given. Given is a circle with center O, and 2 points A and B. A and B are on the circumference, leaving arc CMD, leaving arc CMD, leaving arc CMD. Required to prove that angle CAD will be equal to angle CBD. You see, CD is common part. CD is the circumference. CD is the chord. CD is the chord. The chord CD divides the circle into two parts, and we are talking of the angles in the major segment. Angle CAD and CBD are two angles which are formed in the major segment of the circle. They are the angles formed in the major segment of the circle. This is required to prove. Now, construction I can do. Construction joint C to O and D to O. Join C to O and D to O. This is the construction. Now the proof part. Now let us see the proof part of this theorem. In the proof, what are we going to say? We will use the first theorem. The angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle is double the angle which it subtends at the remaining part of the circumference. I would say that angle AOB is double of angle CAD. Angle AOD, sorry, AOD. Angle angle AOD, the angle subtended by the arc CMD. CMD subtends an angle COD. Oh, what am I writing here? Why I am writing AOD? Angle COD is double of angle CAD. Why? Angle subtended by the arc CMD at center is double the angle subtended by arc CMD at the remaining part of the circumference, at the remaining part of the circumference of the circumference. I have written the complete statement actually. I have written the complete statement for your benefit so that you remember the theorem also. Angle subtended, DED, subtended subtended by the arc CMD at center is double the angle subtended by arc CMD at the remaining part of the circumference, which is also called double angle theorem. It is also called double angle theorem, which is the first theorem we discussed. This is also called double angle theorem, which we discussed with you all. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle which it subtends the remaining part of the circumference. So COD is double of CAD. Similarly, COD will be double of CBD also. Similarly, angle COD will be double of angle CBD. Angle CBD. Angle CBD. Double angle theorem. Double angle theorem. The reason is again the angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle is double the angle which it subtends in the remaining part of the circumference. The remaining part of the circumference. So from equation 1 and equation 2, COD is equal to double of CAD. COD is also double of CBD. From result 1 and 2. From result 1 and 2. Double of CAD is equal to double of CBD, or CAD will be equal to CBD. What does it mean? The angle in the same segment of a circle are always going to be equal. Angles in the same segment of a circle are going to be equal. It does not necessarily means that it will be in the same, uh, it will be in the major segment only. This could happen in the minor segment also. For example, if I take a circle here, if I take a circle here and I take a point here and join it here, join it here. Okay, sorry. Now in this figure, you see, if I see A, B, C, D, and this I take it M, then angle ABD will also be equal to angle ACD. It will be also same. The same thing will be applied. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal because these are also segment. If I join A to D, for example, if I join A to D, if I join A to D, for example, then this ABCD is a segment. ABCD is a minor segment because center will be somewhere here. Center of the circle is here somewhere. Center of the circle is here somewhere. So it is a minor segment, and angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. So angle ABD will be equal to angle ACD. Angle ACD. Angle ACD. ACD. This is O. This is O, center of the circle. So this happens, this is true for all segment. This theorem is true for all segment, whether major, minor or whatever. The angles in the same segment of a circle are always equal. Angles in the same segment of a circle are always equal. You can see that, and we have used the property. We have used the property. What is the property? Double angle theorem property. We have used that angle subtended by an arc at the center, like the arc CMD, is making an angle COD at the center, and the same arc CMD is making angle CAD at the remaining part of the circumference. So the angle COD will be double of angle CAD. Similarly, angle COD will also be double of CBD, because this ABC, or it could be anywhere. This A and B are not specific that they have to be at that point only. A can move to the left hand side and B can move it to the right hand side, but they need, only condition is they have to be not on the arc CMD. Otherwise, A and B can be anywhere on the remaining part of the circumference. So all the angles in the same segment of a circle are going to be equal. I will demonstrate again by drawing another figure for you. No, sorry. Okay. Now let me draw a few. Let me draw a few uh, angles in the same segment. Let me take all the possible colors. Okay, now let me take the red. Let me take the blue. Okay, now just look at this figure. Look at this figure. Here the arc is, suppose, A, P, B. APB is an arc. This arc, or this, if I join A to B, I'll get a chord. If I join A to B, I'll get a chord. And obviously, I'll get a segment. Now, all these angles like AB, C, D, E, F, angle A, C, B is equal to angle ADB is equal to angle AEB is equal to angle AFB. So all these angles are angles in the same segment of a circle. So it doesn't matter where this point C, D, E, F is there. This point C, D, E, F need not to be only on the arc ABB. Otherwise, on the remaining part of the circumference, they could be anywhere. So, angles in the same segment of a circle are equal, and this property we will be using time and again. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Thank you.